So now this is part 2 of the creating marketing flyer, market activity flyer. So now we are going to go to the MLS. This is the MLS. I'm logged into the MLS already. So the first thing we do from the previous video, you remember the map that we have identified where we are going to do a search. So here we select the first four, which is active, contingent, pending, and sold. We select single family, condominium, and townhomes. These three things we select. We also go down here to the bottom change date and we make this 30 days. So 0 to 30. We do that. So on this page, we have already done what we need to do. Now we need to go to the map. You can go to the map from here or you can go to the map from here. So here we are in the map. Now we are going to zoom into that area. So we are going to try to zoom in. Here is 85 and here is Lee. So we are somewhere around here. I'm going to zoom in. Here is Union. So that tells us where we are. So Union, 85 and Camden. So here is our little area. So this is our section right here. So as you can see already in the last 30 days, this is outside of that. So last 30 days, 1, 2, and 3. Only 3. Only 3 we have. So obviously that is not going to work. So even if we just selected those, our main farming area, we are only going to get 3. So instead what we'll do is we'll try to select a larger area. And one way to decide where to go is right next to that there is this area where there is a good level of activity. So if we included this, we probably will be done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We should just include this, but also include the ones in that area. So let's make a box from here all the way down to here, and maybe this, maybe this. Okay, so we take that, and this tells us we have 15. 15 is good. We are going to go transfer this to an Excel spreadsheet, and then we'll see what we want to do with that. The ones that are close to our farm, we might want to identify because we may want to keep those because that's in our farm. Okay, this is not helping. Okay, Camden Avenue. This one is on Camden Avenue. This one, Rosswood, Little Branham, and Sandy Lane. We'll try to keep those and we'll get rid of something else. Okay, so we have 15. Now what we will do is we will select all. So if you click on all get selected. I'm not sure why this says we make none, and then we say all. Okay, maybe it was out of the screen, so that's why. So now we say select all and then export. We go to export, and I already have a predefined export which is called market activity for farming. So we select this and we just do export. Right now we don't need to worry about anything. All of the fields that we need are here. It's a pretty quick export, as you can see here. We just open this. We opened it and here is our data. And I'm going to make it smaller for it to fit in the screen. Okay, so here is our data that we are going to work with. Now we are going to just do a little bit of formatting on this, and what you can do is you can write a macro to just do these steps. the very first thing we'll do is we'll sort it on the status. So select everything, custom sort on the field status, and there you go, A to Z. Active, contingent, pending, sold. This is the order. We like it anyway. Just do a quick auto fit so that we can read. We know which one we do not want to remove. So we have more sold and pending. So if we want to bring it down to roughly about, let's say 11, then we need to get rid of 4. So Rosswood and Sandy were in our area, so we can probably get rid of this too. So delete the 2 solds, and then we probably also need to, let's delete 1 pending cylinder and maybe 1 more sold, or maybe not sold. Let's just delete another one of cylinder. There's no rocket science to this. The idea is just to keep the ones in our farm area. Okay, so this we just got rid of everything, so we are left with 11. We would rather like this to be bold, but before we do that, see these 3 C, D, E have that extra word called total. We can get rid of that. Total, not much use. Okay, so we got rid of that. Now we can go back and do a auto fit again. The next thing we can do is look at the square feet. Take this field and add a comma to it and get rid of the 2 zeros. Okay, so that's that. And then take the $2 or the money field and put $sign, and the comma and all that comes automatically. Also get rid of the 2 zeros and auto fit again. Bold this if we did not already, and auto fit, and take these, except for the status and the street name, take everything else and center align them. So we center align everything. And now we are pretty much done for what we need to do in the Excel spreadsheet. When we go back to the next video, we are going to copy this and take it into another application. So right now we are done. Let's stop this video.